You hear the birds, buddy? That's right. Kane, you hear doggies? Kane, how do the doggies go? How do the doggies go? Kane, how do the doggies go? That's right. Woof, woof. Yeah, that's right. You got your balls, that's right. Woo, I know. They swept up they raked up all the leaves. You gonna get your ball? Yucky, yucky. Hey, that's yucky. Oh, you want Daddy to clean it off? Oh, thank you. You gonna clean it off? You throw it? Oh. Here. Throw it. Throw it to Daddy. Can you throw it to Daddy? Yep, throw it to Daddy. Throw it to Daddy. You gonna leave that one there? Oh. Uh-oh. Kane fell down. You can get dirty. Oh my goodness, look at how dirty you got. That's yucky, don't put it in your mouth. Yeah. All right.